If you run a SaaS company, your product demo is one of the most important assets that you have, considering it's how you close deals, how you onboard customers, and show people why your product is worth paying for. There's a ton of friction to making them though, because recording takes forever, it takes literally 4 to 5 retakes, it's constantly out of date, and there's no way to make it interactive, and worst of all, you get zero data on who actually watched it or found it valuable. But in 2026, AI has completely changed this, and you can now record a world-class product demo in minutes, if not seconds. You can also have AI generate voiceovers that sound exactly like you, make on-screen annotations, you can translate it into 30 other languages, and you can even track exactly who watched it, where they dropped off, and what they clicked, so you can iterate and improve your demo in real time. So today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to plan, how to record, and how to launch a SaaS product demo using AI so you can reap all of those benefits. We've helped over 150,000 marketers, founders, CSMs, and AEs do this across thousands of SaaS companies. So everything I'm going to show you today is based on what's actually working within these teams. Let's get into it. If you've ever tried a product demo video, you already know it takes an incredible amount of time and effort. You're scripting the walkthrough, you're recording yourself clicking through the product, you're messing up a few times, re-recording, you're editing the footage, you're cutting out mistakes, adding the transitions, only to realize you hate the sound of your own voice. And worst of all, if you have a high velocity product, by the time you've published it, you already know that your product has changed, which means parts of the demo are already inaccurate and out of date. On top of that, video itself is a very passive format. Your viewer hits play, they watch whatever you decided to show them in whatever order that you chose. They don't have the opportunity to click around, explore at their own pace, and they can't even skip to the feature that they actually care about. And worst of all, again, you get no data on whether they engaged or where they dropped off. So you can't iterate, you can't improve the demo, and if your team ships fast, this whole cycle ends up repeating itself over and over and over again. But luckily, this is where AI has completely changed how this works now. Instead of scripting, recording, and editing a video manually, AI can now capture your product workflow as you click around and turn it into a polished, interactive, engaging product demo automatically. And this is exactly what we built Supademo to do. What makes it different from just recording a video is that the output itself is a carbon copy of your product, and it's engaging and interactive. Your viewer can actually click through the product themselves instead of passively watching. It gets them hands-on and learning by doing. And because the demos themselves are modular, when your product changes, you just update one step or a section of the demo and it goes live everywhere the demo is shared as a link or embedded on the web, no re-recording. And Supademo's AI handles the parts that used to take the most time, like text annotations, generating voiceovers, and even translating into 20, 30 different languages that your customers might be in. So you end up going from spending days on a single product demo video, if not weeks, to having something shareable, clickable, more engaging in minutes. And because the output is interactive and not just a flat video, you actually get data on how your customers are engaging with your demo. With that in mind, let me walk you through the whole process of how I recommend creating a modern SaaS product demo from A to Z. Now, before you record anything, you need to plan out what you're actually going to show and why. Because the mistake that a lot of SaaS founders and owners tend to make is jumping directly into recording and just clicking every feature that they can think of. But that's how you end up with a 15, 20, 30-minute video that loses people after 30 seconds. So the first thing that I recommend that you do is to pick one specific flow that maps to a benefit or a problem that the viewer actually cares about. Not a feature tour, but an actual tangible benefit. So for example, if you're creating a super top-of-funnel demo for a customer that probably knows nothing about your product or its benefits or features, instead of showing every single tab on your dashboard, show the viewer the most prominent, the highest level benefit of your product at large in the simplest way possible. You're building the demo around the aha moment or the value moment of your product. So the point of it is the viewer goes, oh, I get it. And they want to learn more and more progressively across all of your features and benefits. And from what I have seen across hundreds of thousands of demos on our platform is that the top performing ones are all structured around 7 to 12 very focused, narrow steps. They have clear chapter breaks so the viewer knows where they are in the demo, and they don't try to cover everything in a single walkthrough, and they're super tailored for the stage within the funnel that the customer is actually within. So if you have a product with multiple use cases or features, you're actually better off creating separate demos for each one instead of trying to cram everything into one long flow. And before you actually record, you also want to decide where your CTA CTAs or call to actions are actually going to live. Not just at the end, but you want to spruce them all throughout the demo itself. Why? Some viewers are actually ready to take action after 2 to 3 steps, so you want to give them an option early on, like starting a free trial or booking a walkthrough. Others may need the full picture before they are ready to commit. So in that case, a CTA may make much more sense at the very end of the demo after they've fully walked through the flow. With Supademo, you can build these directly into the demo itself, whether it's in a hotspot call to action within a chapter or through conditional branching. So you're not just planning where the CTAs go, you get to strategically place them all throughout the demo itself without knowing any code or having separate editing tools. And the last recommendation is to just set expectations for the viewers up front. Let them know what journey they're about to embark on before they start. Something as simple as the chapter title saying, hey, this will take 60 seconds or 8 clicks to get started, alone will remove enough friction and makes people way more likely to engage with the demo itself instead of bouncing. Now that you got your plan together, now comes the actual recording, which funny enough becomes the easiest step with Supademo. And if you want to follow along on this video and try it out for yourself, you can start free by using the link down below in the description. With Supademo, recording is as simple as loading up the product or feature that you want to record, popping open the Chrome extension, and clicking through the flow step by step by step. Every click, every screen, and every action gets automatically captured and stitched together into an interactive product demo experience. And when you pop open the extension and stop recording, Supademo does all of the work. AI generated step-by-step text annotations, generating AI voiceovers, translations into multiple languages, and a full realistic product walkthrough. No premeditated scripting, editing, or multiple retakes. It's all done for you. So as I alluded to before, the real benefit and the power of Supademo is the AI layer that cuts out most of the manual work after recording. Once the demo is captured, Supademo AI analyzes everything you've clicked and auto-generates the text annotations for every single step. So instead of you manually annotating or saying, click here, go here, then do this or do that, AI will write contextual descriptions for what you actually did during the recording and personalize it, whether you're doing it for a marketing demo, a sales follow-up demo, or an instructional demo video. And best of all, you have full control. You can go in and edit and tweak the script to be exactly what you want, but AI should do 90% of the work for you. And then there's voiceovers and narration, which is typically the most tedious part of recording, editing, and producing a demo video. With Supademo, you don't need a special mic or a recording setup. There's built-in AI voiceovers that sound natural, realistic, and you just have to pick a voice and generate the voiceover. And funny enough, if you want it to sound exactly like you or a colleague with a really nice voice, we have a voice cloning feature. All you have to do is record your own voice over a 60-second script, and AI will analyze, clone, and make that voice usable across your demos or across the entire workspace for your team. So essentially what I'm telling you is record your voice once and never have to do voiceovers again. And if you serve a global audience or you want to personalize a demo for someone specific, you don't have to re-record separate demos for each market or person. You can easily duplicate and personalize the demo itself, or you can translate the entire demo to be multilingual. The text, the voiceover, everything within the demo into 20, 30 different languages with a simple click. So you record once and you get to localize instantly. From here, you can easily polish and clean up your demo within an intuitive demo editor. If you've ever used Microsoft PowerPoint or Canva, this will look very familiar to you. On the left-hand tab, you can easily see a set of slides set up in modular sections where you can easily rearrange, delete, or even add or upload new steps. You can also insert chapters that break the demo into logical sections. On the right-hand panel, you have the opportunity to make quick edits to the demo itself, like blurring out sensitive data, changing the data itself with AI, blurring out different sections, and even adding tokens and variables. This means you can take one demo and use it for hundreds, if not thousands, of different personalized contacts. So now that you have a polished AI-powered product demo, now what? The real value is really where you share it and how you learn from it. With Supademo, every single demo that you create, it's shareable as a trackable link, exportable as videos and PDFs, or embeddable anywhere, like in learning management systems, docs, or websites. If you want to go even further, you can trigger demos as a product tour overlay inside of your app, either as a single demo or a searchable library, perfect for onboarding, for support, or teaching best practices inside of your actual app. And remember, because the demo steps themselves are fully modular, you never have to re-record onboard the whole flow. You don't have to replace links or even rip out the embed code every single time the product changes. And if you specifically need a video format, Supademo handles that too. We have a built-in talking head video and screen recorder that can be shared either as a standalone link or as a step within an interactive demo. And finally, Supademo also has an autoplay feature that turns your existing interactive demos into a more video-like feature. You set the step duration, the transition timing, and the demo will play all of the steps naturally in a looping fashion. Perfect for trade shows, conferences, or for expos. But the biggest part of Supademo that actually changes how you operate are the analytics themselves. Supademo gives you very specific measurable data on who viewed your demo, how far they got, where they dropped off, and how long they watched for. For sales teams, this means you can see the features that actually drove engagement before a deal closes. For onboarding, you can spot exactly where users are getting stuck and fix inconsistent or confusing messaging. And for marketing, you can actually see which demos are generating qualified leads and which ones need to be reworked. And all of this data flows directly into the tools you already use and love, like HubSpot, Salesforce, or as an export that you can ingest anywhere. So if you want to start creating world-class product demos with AI, check out Supademo completely for free by using the first link in the description. As you saw in this video, you'll be able to start creating your first interactive demos in just a few minutes. You can add voiceovers, embed it anywhere, start tracking to see how your viewers are actually engaging with your content. Again, you can start for free by clicking the first link in the video. And if you want to hear my personal story on how I built 2 SaaS companies now from $0 to $3 million in ARR, you can check out this video next.